Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the Facebook ad library ad videos without using any kind of extensions or any kind of website. So without wasting any time, let us start with the video. So first of all, we have to open the ad which you want to download, and this is the ad. I'm going to show you how you can download the. So the first step that we have to follow is just click on the F12 key on your keyboard. After that, a side window open up, and what you're going to do is just click on the here on the network option. After that, we have to select this media option, and then we have to play this video once. Okay, now we can pause this video, and now you can see this file here. This is with a green icon. So we have to tap here and double tap on this link. Okay, now we have selected the complete link. Now we have to right click on this and click here on go to this link. After this, the ad video will be open up into a new video. Then we have to click here on this three dot, and now you can see this download option from here. And now you can just press the download option and download a video simply. So this is a simple step that you can use to download any kind of video from the Facebook ad library, and it's completely legal. As you can see, we just use a source code. So that's all for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you can do consider to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.